Imagine walking along a beach at night, your footprints glowing in a soft, ethereal blue. This mesmerizing phenomenon is the result of bioluminescence, a natural light produced by tiny marine organisms called dinoflagellates. These microscopic creatures emit light through a chemical reaction occurring within their cells, similar to the glow of fireflies. When disturbed by waves or movement, they illuminate the water, creating a surreal, starry effect along the shoreline. This spectacle can be witnessed in select places around the world, offering a glimpse into the mysterious beauty of the ocean. The glow is not just a visual marvel, but a reminder of the intricate wonders of marine life.